Good evening, people. Welcome back to another Crypto Sherpa news video. I know it's late at night. I was busy all day working on my website, and yes, my website is done. The link's down below, or just go to cryptosherpallc.com and book yourself a cryptocurrency consultant. I am available 6 days a week, 2 to 9, because I do have a day job still. But let's dive on into the news. As you can see from the title, Amazon is getting into cryptocurrencies. Also, what else? Jack Dorsey sees Bitcoin as a big part of Twitter's future. Yeah, that and Facebook, why not? Thorchain got hacked again, and a Kalakura swap becomes the first DEX. So yeah, that's going to be the news articles today. Not that much, it's late, I'm ready to go to bed. But let's dive right on in after this intro. All right. Let me share my screen so we can go straight into the articles. Ooh, how you guys doing today? I hope you're having a fantastic day. And yes, as you notice, all these articles are from CryptoPotato.com. When CoinMarketCap's news articles aren't loading, I come check out the Crypto Potato. It's a great place to get some crypto news articles. But here we go. Amazon wants a leader for its digital currency and blockchain product unit. Woohoo! Everyone's getting into it, people. You might as well get in to it too. But Amazon is looking for a digital currency and blockchain product lead, according to recent job posts. Is this one step towards crypto adoption? I think so, but let's read the article. Amazon seems determined to maintain its reputation as an innovative company and is looking to experiment with cryptocurrencies through a digital currency payment and blockchain unit. According to an announcement posted on Thursday, Amazon is looking for a blockchain specialist to lead its digital currency and blockchain strategy. The Payment Acceptance and Experience team is seeking an experienced product leader to develop Amazon's digital currency and blockchain strategy and product roadmap. We will work closely with teams across Amazon, including AWS, to develop the roadmap, including their customer experience technical strategy and capabilities, as well as a launched strategy. What Amazon is looking for: the experiment must have at least an MBA or equivalent degree, 10 plus years of business or technology experience, team management skills, understanding of data and metrics, and good communication skills. The corporation did not disclose any salary offer. The person must be based on or willing to move to Seattle, Washington. Amazon seems to be convinced of the need to innovate in the field of payments and finance. The cryptocurrency and blockchain development team is a sign of the company's interest in exploring these emerging technologies to offer better financial products. But according to an email shared by Business Insider, Amazon's team confirmed its interest in exploring an approach to the world of cryptocurrencies. Still, they did not specify whether it would be through the development of proprietary currency or through the acceptance of cryptocurrencies as a means of payment. We're inspired by the innovation happening in the cryptocurrency space and are exploring what this could look like on Amazon. We believe the future will be built on new technologies that enable modern, fast, and inexpensive payments, and hope to bring that future to the Amazon customers as soon as possible. Let's see, is this an old relationship with crypto? Amazon's interest in the world of cryptocurrencies isn't new. Back in 2017, it purchased at least a number of domains linked to its brand to cryptocurrencies, including AmazonCryptocurrency.com, AmazonCryptocurrencies.com, and even AmazonEthereum.com. However, at the time, Patrick Gottler told CNBC that the e-commerce giant did not have much interest in cryptocurrencies and had no plans to support crypto payments. In fact, the Pay with Moon plugin that allowed payments on Amazon with Bitcoin through Lightning Network had to change its business model to instead allow its users to purchase virtual credit cards instead of paying directly on the Amazon site. Also, a Crypto Potato reported in February this year, Amazon launched a job offer for a new payment system involved digital and emerging payments, DEP. Although they did not mention a direct relationship with Bitcoin or any cryptocurrency either, this time, however, Amazon seems more willing to go public with its casual relationship with cryptos. But yeah, that's Amazon getting into it. And who is the leader of Amazon? Isn't that Jeff Bezos? If you guys listened to Bitcoin Ben this morning, great video. I should leave a link down below to his channel, because what he's talking about, where the future of cryptocurrency is really leading, is crazy. Let's just say Jeff Bezos, Elon Musk, who are those other, Bill Gates, and all those really rich dudes who are buying land everywhere. Yeah, they're going to be combined to get to make a Bitcoin cryptocurrency city, town in America, basically, but they want to be in control of the world. Not the world, but their space. I'm just not going to explain it well. It's late, but go watch Bitcoin Bed's video from this morning. The way he says it, life-changing, but yeah. So that's the Amazon news. Let's move on. Thorchain hacked for a second time. $8 million compromised. Thorchain. Didn't you guys have an ICO? That's why I don't trust you. Another breach in Thorchain security system happened at this time. Hackers drained $8 million worth of cryptocurrencies. The cross-chain DeFi protocol, Thorchain, suffered another major hack for $8 million. Last week, the protocol was drained with a further $8.3 million in a separate attack. Oof, that's gotta hurt. Thorchain got hit again. The decentralized cross-chain exchange, Thorchain, experienced a sophisticated attack on Ethereum router. The protocol announced on Twitter that this time the perpetrators drained around $8 million worth of Ether. And people, just because the name says decentralized doesn't mean it truly is. So be sure to do your research. Check for that ICO, IPO, or IEO. Any one of those initial coin, public or something, initial exchange offerings. And if they ever has one, if there was ever one, the token is centralized. So don't just always believe when you read decentralized and just accept it for it. Do your research. But Thorchain has suffered a sophisticated attack on Ethereum router around 8 million. However, the team added that the attackers limited their damage, seemingly a white hat. They reportedly requested a 10% bounty in the meantime. The amount of Ethereum will be halted until it can peer reviewed with audit partners and priority. The white hat requested a 10% bounty, which will be awarded if they reach out, and they should be encouraged to do so. The anonymous hackers warned that they found multiple critical issues and could have struck a greater damage, such as embezzling large amounts of Bitcoin, Binance Coin, Litecoin, and many other cryptocurrencies. Honestly, the only one I see that's worth stealing is that Bitcoin. But don't steal, people. That's wrong. In its turn, Thorchain said that repeated hacking assaults are a serious issue for the community and the project, admitting that their pain is real. Even though its treasury can cover the funds, the DeFi protocol would like to see an end to the repeating problem. As attacks last week. But yeah, how are they going to do that? I don't know. I'm not a programmer, but that's why we need programmers in the world to help make things more secure. Who knows? Maybe it's don't be centralized, go truly decentralized. Yeah, that's that news. Thorchain got hacked. I don't put my money in there, and I hope you guys don't either. Next up, Jack Dorsey sees Bitcoin as a big part of Twitter's future. Jack Dorsey, the CEO of Twitter, said that Bitcoin should be a big part of the company's future at a quarterly earnings conference. Jack Dorsey, the CEO of Twitter, one of the largest social media platforms on Earth, said that Bitcoin will be a big part of the company's future. No shucks. Yesterday, July 22nd, Twitter published its Q2 21 letter to show shareholders as well as its Q2 earnings conference call. During the call, Jack Dorsey discussed many things, but Bitcoin and digital currencies look somewhat of a central stage, especially in light of current events and the fact that he's been talking about it for quite a bit now. I think this has a big part of our future. I think there's a lot of innovations above just currency to be had, especially as we think about decentralized social media, providing more economics incentives. So I think it's hugely important to Twitter and to Twitter shareholders that we continue to look at the space and investigate aggressively in it, said Dorsey. And he also stressed on the fact that there were global currencies on the, global currency of the internet. Twitter would benefit a lot because they could more quickly with some of its products, such as the tip jar, subscription commerce, super follows, and so forth. The CEO has been quite vocal about the importance of Bitcoin and its mass adoption. Earlier, as reported by Crypto Potato, the CEO revealed that his financial services company, Square, plans to build a hardware Bitcoin wallet to improve and spread its adoption. Whew, okay, let me take a sip of water, and then I got something to say about that. Yeah, so let's just start off with this ending when they say where he wants to build a hardware wallet. People do not trust that hardware wallet. You cannot trust Jack Dorsey. He's the guy who censored the freaking president of the United States during the election time. So I don't trust him. I don't think you should trust him. And you definitely should not trust your money on his hardware system. Do your research on non-custodial wallets out there, even software wallets that are free to download, but they are definitely a lot safer than this guy. Because who knows if that Bitcoin wallet will even give you a seed phrase or private keys. I don't think they would, but who knows? I still don't trust it. And also about moving crypto into the Twitter. Of course, you're not just going to move crypto into the Twitter field. You're going to move the blockchain or Twitter into the blockchain. You're not going to make a whole new socializing network off the blockchain. You're just going to make yours a part of it. Because what's so great about the blockchain, if you don't know it, data is secure there. You cannot destroy the data. You cannot hack it. It's just, that's the blockchain for you. So if you can get Twitter, Facebook, or any of the social medias on blockchain technology, then you're just securing their network that can't just be hacked anymore. So you're making your own stuff more secure. But yeah, that's the Jack Dorsey news with Bitcoin and Twitter. Last up, because it's late, only a small amount of articles. Akala's Karura swap becomes the first DEX on Polkadot's Kusama. Now, I don't use Polkadot. I know it might have some good things. I think it is centralized, so it has a nice CO, but it's got some good use cases. But let's see, DeFi Hub and Parachain, Akala has launched its Karura swap DEX alongside what it calls the first trustless trading pair in the Polkadot and Kusama ecosystem. The Akala Foundation has recently announced the launch of its decentralized exchange DEX, Karura Swap, on the Kusama and Polkadot ecosystem, with its so-called first trustless trading pair, KSM/KAR, already available for trading. Over 3.4 million in TLV. In Friday's announcement, Akala noted that the KSMR-KAR pair currently has over $3 million in total value, locked up in TVL, and will now be traded on the Karura Swap platform. KSM and KAR are the native tokens of Kusama and Karura respectively. The foundation further revealed that more than $3.4 million TVL for the pair was achieved because of the bootstrap mechanism it had applied. The bootstrap mechanism is, as announced by Karura Swap, has a unique feature to launch trading pairs in bootstrap mode, which is a brief period that allows a pool to achieve enough liquidity while still preventing any market manipulation and front running. When a trading pair is launched using bootstrap mechanism, users are invited to take part in the pool and provide liquidity with either one or both tokens in the trading pair. During this time, trading is temporarily disabled until the needed liquidity is achieved. The exchange rate is then revealed to the public and trading commences on the DEX. The project explained, with the KSM and KAR pair now live on Karura, traders can reportedly engage in trustless trading, provided liquidity to Karura Swap, and prepare for the next release from launch roadmap, including KUSD, Liquid KSM Lite, and KAR liquidity mining. Akala also claimed that this is the first time KSM has been traded trustlessly on a decentralized exchange, adding the transaction fees on Karura can now be paid in KSM because of the bring your own gas feature and liquidity of the KSM-KAR pair. Karura wins Kusama's first parachain auction. Just last month, Karura won the first parachain slot auction conducted by Polkadot's Canary Network. Kusama with 501,000 KSM, which is worth more than $100 million raised by its community. Karura describes itself as a scalable EVM-compatible network optimizing for decentralized finance on the Polkadot and Kusama ecosystem. The platform offers a list of DeFi applications, including a trustless staking derivative, Liquid KSM, a multi-collateral stablecoin backed by cross-chain assets, and an AMM DEX. So, not bad. If you guys have this, kudos. This could be some good news for you. I currently don't hold or use any of these exchanges or tokens or whatnot. So, but for those of you out there who have a better understanding, I know Chainlink technology is pretty huge or upcoming in the DeFi world. I just never did much research into it. But yeah, that is that news. Lastly, let's look at the market. We are in green again, baby. Bitcoin is at 33,720. We're almost up to 34,000. So people who are freaking out the 28,000 mark thinking, oh no, it's the end of the world. Well, we're back. This is the world. It's volatile. So don't run on emotions. That's one of my rules I give to my clients. Just be smart with your money. Do your own research and study the trends of Bitcoin because we've been around for 12 years now. I keep forgetting when it started. 2009, it's 21. Practically 12 years now. And like science can, from what trend lines have shown us is like these happen, but it will always go back up. Ethereum's at 2,100. What if it gets to 3,000 again? Cardano's at $1.21. Dogecoin's at 19% or 19 cents. Not sure why that guy's going up. Litecoin's at 126. Woo, I think we were at the low, like the 106 for a little bit, but it's nice seeing it go up that slight little bit. Let's see, I know Theta has a huge gain. Yeah, we're up like 20% right now. We're back at 530. Oh my gosh, 536. Man, I wouldn't be surprised if tomorrow we're back at $6. Alve's at 296. Terra is at 781. Pancake Swap is at 1385. AMP tokens at 5 cents. And let's see, Theta Fuel. Here we go. Whoa, 32 cents. We are up 20%, 11% in the 24 hours. Whew, I am loving it. And yeah, currently in our crypto fear to greed index, we're at a 22 of extreme fear. I thought that would have gone higher, more towards greed as the prices increase. But hey, we're still in extreme fear. That's a great time to buy. Because if you don't know, people, when the map says that we are in extreme fear, that can be a sign that investors are too worried. That could be a great buying opportunity. But when investors are getting too greedy, that means the market is due for a correction. So there you have it, people. We have a couple little cryptocurrency news for you today. I know it was late, but again, please check out my website. I have a link down below. If you don't want to check mine out, check out bitcoinconsultants.world. There's a bunch of great consultants on there, and choose the one that works best for you. So again, guys, thank you so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up, like, share it with your friends. Go follow me on Instagram and Facebook. I post cryptocurrency memes, which just are funny and bring joy. So again, thank you so much for watching. I will certainly see you tomorrow, and the Crypto Sherpa is out. Bye, guys.